Hi, it's Dave again with DRH Acrylic Creations. Today is my explanations of how I create effective swipes with scoop and drags. So I'm going to explain this as we go along. First thing up is going to talk about the colors, and then we're going to jump right into it. My pouring medium is shown here. It's the Valspar Varathane pouring medium. First up is going to be Brûlée, which is this little Piggy color, followed by Golden Peach, which is also this little Piggy. And last on this Piggy line is going to be Lemon Sorbet. Now, Golden Peach and Lemon Sorbet have a beautiful undertow of gold, and Brûlée is more of a bronze. Okay, the last is going to be the Atelier Interactive in Blue Black. Not pictured is going to be my Carbon Black, or excuse me, Oxide Black from Amsterdam Expert Series. Cell activators are here. This is Titanium White by TriArt and Carbon Black, also by TriArt. These are both mixed with 3 parts of Australian Floetrol, and that's the magic sauce. This is my Hight 2 series, and I put this in here so that if you didn't know about it, you can find that information, everything I do, in that series. So, first thing, pillow paint. This is PPG MULTI-PRO. Putting down the Oxide Black first, good amount on this, followed by the Blue Black by Atelier Interactive. Now the Brûlée. And the Brûlée is especially effective when it's against a dark color. Next up is my Lemon Sorbet. And then the Golden Peach. This is my cell activator. This is the Titanium White. And this is the Carbon Black. Now I'm picking up my small swiping tool. This palette knife is perfect for this size piece. And I'm just doing kind of a spiral swipe on this, just to get the beginnings of my cells started. Once I'm happy with where my cells are, I'm going to start scooping and dragging. And this is the important part. You can get a piece with some really nice cells, but if you don't make them interesting or you don't move them a little bit, sometimes they can get just a little monotonous. So at least that's my opinion. So I like to scoop underneath and drag them out to elongate those cells and create something that has a little bit more interest. So I'm going to do this throughout this. And scooping and dragging is tricky only in the sense you have to only go down as deep as your color layer. You don't want to go any deeper than that, because otherwise you'll start pulling up pillow, and pillow on top of your color layer can be tricky. You're going to see throughout this, my head does appear. Not happy about that, but you know, when I get concentrating, I forget to remember where my head is. Okay, so light spin here to get it started. I think I'm going to be quiet for a while and let you listen to the music and watch what I'm doing.
Stumble across old memories, try to recall before
Okay. What I'm just doing here is I'm stretching it out and giving my space for my negative space. And I'm going to explain this in just a second. I did start looking at it and deciding if I was okay with as much white negative space as I had. And you'll see me talk about that in just a second. The key to stretching is doing it slowly. This video is, for time's sake, is sped about twice as fast. So, although it looks slow enough now, it's even slower in person rather. Yeah, especially with the spins, you can see, because I never spin that fast. So much can happen with spins in just a short period of time. I'm doing here is I'm just checking for the depth. I'm seeing I got a pretty good depth on that. It's even across. Let's then see how the composition is. Okay, now I'm just taking a close look at it and then deciding, do I like what I have here? What do I want to see? Does it need to be moved around? Just basically the questions I ask myself when I'm working on it, is it making the effect that I was hoping for? I'm just picking up the entire spinner, and just so that I can control how much it actually gets stretched out. And I think I'm getting pretty close at this point. Okay, I'm talking about the middle, that I really do like the middle. The way that came out is, you couldn't have been happier with that. And the overall composition, I'm okay with. Let's give you a little bit of a closer look. Now I'll take you down for the flyover. You can see the cells here, and it was a really good choice to put the blue and the oxide black together. Because I think it gave it some really nice contrast, and my color layer really held up. So I'm pretty happy with this piece. It was meant to be a demonstration piece for how I approach my scoop and drags when I'm stretching, or when I'm doing my swipes. So I hope that worked for you. If you'd like to help, leave a like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications of future videos. It really does help, and it's absolutely free. Thank you so much for being here today, and I really do hope you got something out of this. So until next time, bye for now.